In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add timeline reminders on tasks in your Monday.com board. This feature can be incredibly useful for keeping track of deadlines and ensuring that tasks are completed on time. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you'll want to navigate to your Monday.com board, where you have tasks laid out with timeline columns. Take a look at the top of your timeline column, where you will notice a 3 dots icon on the header. This icon is your gateway to a number of settings and customization options. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear, providing you a range of choices. From this menu, you're going to want to select Settings. This is where we'll be able to add our timeline reminders. Once you're in the settings, look for the option that says Add Edit Date Reminders. Click on that. This action will bring up an automation template that is very straightforward to use, which helps to set up how and when your reminders will be sent. First, you'll set the when. This is essentially deciding when you want the reminder to be triggered. You have the flexibility to set this for a specific time on the day of the task's timeline deadline. Alternatively, you can choose a point before the deadline, such as a certain number of days, weeks, or even months prior. The choice here really depends on how much lead time you and your team require for each task. After configuring the timing, we head over to the Notify section. This is the part where you'll craft the message that will be sent to your assignee. Personalizing this notification message helps to ensure clarity and urgency. Tailor the text to convey the information you deem necessary, whether it's just a simple reminder or includes supplementary instructions concerning the task. The final step in this process is to click on Someone. Here you'll specify who exactly will receive the notification. A really efficient way to handle this is by linking it to the person column that you've set up, if you have one. By doing this, the system will automatically notify the person assigned to each task, according to the person column, without you having to constantly adjust the settings manually. And that's it! By following these steps, you've successfully added timeline reminders to your tasks, keeping your team members in the loop and ensuring deadlines are met seamlessly. This small bit of automation can have a huge impact on your productivity and planning, helping to keep projects running on schedule smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.